North Huron Blyth Fire. Please respond 40605 Walton Road for a north feed warehouse smoke detector at Millstone crop. Key holders pending. Again, that's 40605 Walton Road for a north feed warehouse smoke detector. Key holders pending at Millstone crop. Time of receipt 2:59:59. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire. Please respond to 40605 Walton Road at Millstone crop for a north feed warehouse smoke detector. Again, that's 40605 Walton Road at Millstone crop. The crossroads of Elevator Line and Disley Street for a north feed warehouse smoke detector alarm. Time of second page is 3:01:06.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges page out for Blyth Station.
Roger, car 3, you're acknowledging page at 3:02:37.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
Roger, car 3, you're responding at 3:04:59. Dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, dispatch car 3.
Just an update, spoke to key holders. Tony will be there in about 10 minutes.
Confirm that dispatch. You can show car 3's arriving scene. Car 3 does have key as well, access to the building. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding, Echo +4, belted.
That's Roger, car 3 on scene, does have access to building, and engine 6, you're responding, Echo +4, belted at 3:07:08.
Dispatch, nothing showing at this time.
That's Roger, nothing showing, 3:07.
Fire dispatch, show tank 9 responding, Foxtrot +3 belted.
That's Roger, tank 9, you're responding, Foxtrot 3, belted at 3:09:21.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 on scene, Echo will be command and mobile.
That's Roger, engine 6 on scene, Echo in command and mobile at 3:10:25.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving scene.
Roger, to copy tank 9 on scene at 3:11:50.
Fire dispatch, Blyth command.
Go ahead. Go ahead, command.
You can show 2 firefighters entering the structure to do a sweep.
Roger, 2 firefighters entering the structure to do a sweep at 3:13:46.
Command, Pond 3-1. Go ahead, entry 1.
We've completed a sweep of the second story in the office. Nothing found. Proceeding to the first floor of the office now.
Roger that. No readings on the second floor. Fire dispatch, Blyth command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show 2 firefighters exited the building, 0 readings on all floors. We believe it's a faulty detector. The property owner has deactivated the system. Command is terminated. All units returning to Blyth Station.
Georgia Command 2, firefighters exit the building, 0 readings on all floors, you believe to be a faulty detector. The owner has reset the alarm. Command terminated, units are returning at 327.50.
Sir, unit calling fire dispatch.
Yes, dispatch to supply station. Could you download that call for me?
That's Roger.